Hello guys, welcome back in this video, and today I'm going to share with you one withdrawal proof of the website that I shared with you in the past videos, and right now I want to make a withdrawal. Okay, if you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel, watch my other videos. All my videos are free on the website, and let's get started. This is the website. Now you can see I have this much balance and I have this much balance to my deposit. And right now I want to withdraw like Litecoin. I can withdraw Litecoin, dogecoin, and Fura. I just click Fura and I go to my faucet pay, copy my Fura wallet address from Linkit because the Fura wallet address is MetaMask supported this Fura wallet address. Let's copy it and come here in this website, paste the MetaMask for Fura wallet address in here and come down and just click withdraw, and you can see this website send me my Fura to my faucet pay instantly. And I go to my faucet pay, go to overview, come down to share with you the Fura wallet address withdraw. You can see this website send me my Fura wallet address instantly to my faucet pay. That's not too much amount, but it's okay. This website is light. This website pay you your withdrawal proof, and you can easily make from this website. Just about this website is light or is a fake website, about that I share with you this withdrawal proof. Okay, thanks for watching guys. Please subscribe to my channel, watch my other videos. All my videos are free on our website, and bye bye for now.